Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to configure Nginx as an HTTP cache. First, you need to change the port on which your website listens. Because the caching server will handle all incoming requests, you want to have this server listening on port 80 for HTTP websites or port 443 for HTTPS websites. This means that your website will need to listen on another port. Change the default listen port to 3650 in your website's appropriate Nginx configuration file. After that, restart the Nginx system. Next, let's set up the Nginx cache server. At its core, this will be a reverse proxy server. Create a new Nginx configuration file. Recall that 3650 is the same port your website is listening on. Also, take note that the proxy pass points to the origin server. Notice how the upstream origin server is configured for the local IP address of 127.0.0.1 on port 3650. After that, restart the Nginx system. With a basic reverse proxy server in place, let's add caching capabilities. Modify the new Nginx configuration file you created with the following highlighted changes. The first line containing proxy cache path defines the location of the Nginx cache on the system. If this directory doesn't exist, it will be created the next time the Nginx server is reloaded. Notice how the keys zone value is custom cache. We associate custom cache with our proxy cache on line 14. In this example, all resources will be cached for a period of 10 minutes according to the proxy cache valid directive. Finally, we add the caching status to the response header with the add header directive. Next, make Nginx aware of your new configuration file by symbolic linking it from the site's available directory to the site's enabled directory. After that, apply your changes by reloading the Nginx web server.